YouTube, gotta work on the freaking Silverado. I'm gonna change the front differential out. She's all floppy under there. So I got this sucker out of a 2000 Suburban. And we gotta take all these dust covers off and stuff like that. And let's get started. Now front differential is accessible. There's two bolts right here. There's a bolt right there. There's a bolt up there. Let's see. Then there's CV axles and drive shaft. One plug. I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is yank this drive shaft off. Pound some breakfast. Fucking socket went launching. That sucks. CV axle is disconnected. I was pulling off this bolt, which is mounted to here. It's all cracked loose, but this nut is welded on this side, and that bolt can't pull through because of the lower control arm. So I'm gonna have to unbolt this whole cross member here, all the way back to there. Same on the other side, bolted there. Unbolted over here too. Okay, I got that big ass bracket out of the way. There's the first bolt out. It's kind of out. It's like halfway because I have to slide this sucker this way and then down. One more bolt up there, and then these two. This sucker will be out of here. Okay, I just freaking undid this bolt right here. That's the last two. The wrench is still up there. See, it's loose. I didn't freaking set up my dang tripod, so I guess I'm gonna pull this thing out without you guys watching. That bolt is almost out too. I just need to pull it out. Have it in there just holding it, but it's fucking... This whole thing's gonna come out right now. There's a new differential that I'm about to put in. It's out of a 2000 Suburban. This is the one I just pulled out. A little bit dirty. Here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna let this bitch roll. It's getting hard setting it up, putting it down, fucking whatnot. The new differential right there. About to slap it up in this motherfucker. Put you on a tripod. Find that other fucking washer.
Oh, I see one, I think.
Yep, that's fucking the one I need. What a legend. God damn. Need to cut that freaking nut off of that other bracket. There's that little bracket right there with a bolt sticking in it. That nut is welded on. There you are. There it is. Freaking little nut I need it off that. Now I'm gonna put the bolt in this way, have the nut on the other side. That way it's not getting caught up by the fucking lower control arm this time. But before I can do that, I need to put this freaking thing on so I can put the bolt through there. I can't fucking see anything. Oh, dude, I didn't even realize. You're way over there. The bolts are tight here. It's mounted to the front diff again. Top bolt is tight, way the fuck back there. These two bolts over here are tight. This whole fucking cross member bracketry thing is on and tight. About to hook on the drive shaft and CV axles now. There's that side. I'm gonna move over to this side. Slappy, slappy. Fucking CV axle's in. Plug is on. Other CV axle's on. Drive shaft is in. Fucking horsepower is sweating. Gotta put these dust covers back on. Alright, hopefully I can fucking get it on this time. I had to drill a couple new holes for the bolts. Okay, everything's put back together. CV axle's bolted up. That bad boy's tightened down in all places. Let's freaking rock cover back on. Alright, just gotta clean up all these tools. Alright, tools are all cleaned up. Better go take it on a little test drive.